Assalamu alaikum and good morning viewers. Do you want to create 100 Instagram reels in just 5 minutes? Here I will tell you, you can create 100 Instagram reels in just 5 minutes. Let's start our video. Before my videos, subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. First of all, go to Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever AI model you have to use. Right over here, 100 motivational quotes about success in life. You can write any Islamic quote or any other quotes, whatever you want. Here I write, and the Gemini created me 100 quotes. I copy here and straight paste in the Google Sheet. If nobody knows about the Google Sheet, then go here to your Gmail account and click on 9 dots. Go down, and here is the sheets, and you can click on sheets, click on blank sheet, and this Gemini data control C, and then paste over here control V. You can paste here easily. Now you have to download this file as a download and file as a comma separated value CSV file. You can download here the CSV file. Now come to the Canva, and here you go to videos, click on Instagram Reels, click on design. There is a lot of designs, whatever you want to add, and you can select. I am choosing this one with the plain background so that you can see easily, or you can use this one, whatever you want. Selected this one, and now I have go to the apps, click on, here is a bulk create option, the first one, create over here, upload data. You can enter it manually as well. Here is the untitled spreadsheet as the CSV file. Select open. Now click on the text which you want to connect. Click on 3 dots, connect data. This one I have selected, and click on continue, and generate here 78 design. I have selected the 78. You can select 100, 200, whatever you want. Generate 7800 design, and I will create a generator 7800 design. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now it has created these are all similar, a different code. You can hear success is not the key to happiness, happiness is the key to success. Now the second is don't watch the clock, what it does, keep going. Now the issue is that all backgrounds are same. You can change the background as well. The symbol click. See all. Mm, you can use this one. Scroll down and the replace background. Here I have now you can remove the slow the video speed, and this is a 43.5, and you can reduce it to just 1.4 seconds. Like here. Done. Now in the similar way you can change the background of this video as well. Replace background, and this is also you can write a quote over there, and you can edit as well, change the color like this one, You can also give the effects like this one, the more clear one, and then reduce the video. You can trim this in the similar way. You can in the background of your all videos, and it will take hardly 10 minutes to change the background. Otherwise you can create just in a 5 minute 100 reels, and you can sell it, and you can use to grow your own TikTok channels or Instagram channel. You can download with the single pages like this one, MP4 videos 1 to 78 pages, and click over there, and you can one by one download like this one, current page 3 1, and I have just to download the page number 3, or if you want to all the 78 pages, then it is downloaded in all 78 pages in a single video. But it's highly recommended that you can use only the one page and then download, and then again you will download the second page, third page, fourth page, and in this way in a minimum time you can generate your 100 Instagram and TikTok videos. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share my videos. Allah Hafiz till my next video.